Fuck.
Lalim pala ng ano mo.
Oo nga eh.
UP, bro.
UP.
Wow. Ang ganda. You know, when did you go to college ba, bro?
Lasal. Lasal ako for 2 years, tapos na-kick out ako sa SB. The usual.
Doesn't it seem weird na nung bata tayo, yan, nung high school tayo, when we looked at college kids, tatanda na mga itsura ito diba? And then, now that you're above college and you look at college kids, like, dapat elementary pa ito mga. Ano, is it just because pabata ng pabata? Alam mo yun, when you look at like, mga Miss Universe ng dati, at mga Miss Universe ngayon, iba eh. Alam mo yun, nag-evolve tayo sa paganda ng paganda eh. You know what I mean?
Oo.
Nag-evolve na, I mean, so, nare-refine per generation yan.
Hindi kaya dahil nagkaka-mix na ng race?
Yun nga eh, nagiging, alam mo yun, our differences, when slowly nag-mix, is leading to a beautiful mess.
Yep.
Ang ganda pa ng trends ngayon, bro. Our kids these days are afraid of drugs.
Yep.
They don't smoke.
Yep.
They like to go to the gym.
Yep.
They like to MMA.
Oh, healthy shit.
Sobrang healthy shit.
Tsaka pinanganak sila ng ano? Pinanganak sila ng may Google na.
Oh yeah, man. And yeah, exactly.
Which is not a bad thing. It's not even.
And they actually have more free time, bro.
How?
They just spend it on their phone. Like for example, you gotta go to SM to pay your bills back then. Now you just transfer money.
Tapos na.
And you're free. If you need to do that shit. So they have more time, but except they just want to spend it on their phones.
Which hindi mo rin naman siya masisisi sa kanila kasi
exactly, hindi rin kasi yun yung available technology. Alam nga, tanga ka ba, hindi mo gagamitin. I don't know if we're getting cancer because of all this radio technology in the air, man, like Bluetooth and RFs and VHS. I don't know, man, it's all in the air.
Hindi, not even yung health wise, as in social wise.
Yun nga eh,
as in,
alam mo ba, there's a phenomena in Japan. Ano yun, they just lock themselves in their room and they don't go out for years.
Ito ba yung mga, anong tawag doon?
Parang may hatakiri, something like that.
Some shit.
Let's the internet that.
See?
Oh, it's convenient. Back in the day, you had to go home
Otaku.
and
tama ba?
Otaku is like a cosplay. Japan, ano nga yun? Japan, do not leave room. Ito pa yung challenge sa kids these days na coming up with a username na hindi taken.
Yeah, oo nga no?
Alam mo yan?
Kasi before marami.
Sobrang available. Kaya hindi ko makuha yung Bogart Explorer back in the day.
Kasi
because of nakinuha na siya. Nung ako pare.
Bogart Explorer?
Alam mo yun, may yung tipong gusto, bilhin mo to sa amin. Shit, fuck that.
Sinong
isip na? Kaya ginawa ko yung letter D.
Kaya pala.
Oo, pare. My old dorm, this is Kalayaan dorm, dun sa basketball court na yan. Ano kung pave na. Sobrang jagged rocks.
Hindi na, pave na.
Oo, pave na. Dati kasi, alam mo yung asphalt na naging, nagiging jagged na yung ibang edges. Ito bro, diyan ko nakuha.
Diyan?
Oo, so yan yung pinaka-deepest cut ko ever. So, this is the food street of UP. Have you ever been here?
No.
So, kaliwa. This is, merong restaurant dito, kainan, na siya lang open sa Sundays, so pag nasa dorm kasi walang food from Sundays, tsaka kami makain. Lutong bahay.
Dito?
Oo. Tapos merong, so yung tawag ng place, lutong bahay. Sa tapat niya may nag-open na business, yung sa neighbor naman niya, lutong kapitbahay. Ito, whiz kid siguro to, bro. College kid.
College na yun?
At marami na rin silang other food stuff like these. Dito yung ano mo yun? Yun, dyan yung shake at dyan yung lutong bahay. Lutong bahay. Ang daming shawarma shit. Wala pa itong before, man.
Dude, kasi nga, usually kapag school talaga, kainan is...
No, bro, because these kids have more allowance than before. How much is your allowance in elementary?
30.
20 sa akin, bro. Mas malaki pang ano mo sa akin.
Hindi, kasi Manila eh.
Ay, that's true. Oo nga, you're right.
Left.
You're right. I'm sorry, you're right. You're right, Manila nga naman.
Manila.
Para lang tayo ng allowance,
Technically pa.
High school.
High school na 70.
40.
Ulol?
Pero nga, high school
Manila.
na eh. Manila, high school na eh. Almost double.
Salamat sa panood nyo ng first episode ng Kalsada. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Sino bang next guest na trip nyo? Comment lang din below, tapos subukan natin maging totoo yan. Tapos, see you next week sana. Dapat. Bye-bye.